Welcome back to Deadly Outlaws 5-star ratings. Let's give this a try. Wow, juicy on that chicken right there. Insane. Soft bacon, baby. Fry sauce, yeah. Season. With salt and pepper. Regular bacon, not pepper bacon. Vegetables. Really. Well, Outlaws, I just got done eating inside Little Big Burger. I'm going to go back to my hotel and give you my review what I thought of the burger. So after coming back at the motel, let me give you guys my opinion on Little Big Burger. Well, I'd have to say this. I like it when they put the bun basically in when they grill it. That was a good idea, as well as, but the chicken, just way too much water coming out because it was juicy and stuff. I had 2 chicken patties. They were small. With vegetables. It's probably a more healthier option because it's not a lot on there. But probably a bad idea to have juicy chicken on the bun because it made the bun soggy. Maybe if I would have got like the turkey, that would have been a better option because they had the turkey cranberry. It's like a Thanksgiving Thanksgiving turkey sandwich they had there at Little Big Burger. I could have filmed in there because they had music playing and stuff. But after, trying the burger, like I said, there was cheddar cheese in there, melted on the chicken. It fallen off a lot too, which was kind of funny. Lots of vegetables and mayo on there. So like I said, the top bun wasn't soggy, but the bottom bun was very soggy with the chicken. So I should give him a pass on, but I'm going to have to minus a point for that because I guess juicy chicken and a small bun does not mix because it makes it soggy. But like I said, a soft bun. So on my rating, I'm going to give the Little Big Burger from, the bacon as well was crispy as well. So I'm gonna give it a, I'll give it a 4 out of 5. It was really good. If it wasn't soggy on that bun, it would have gotten that 5 for that little Big Burger double chicken sandwich. And yeah, they're small. They had drinks there too. You could drink like they had like blood orange and blackberry. It said like no juice or something and 0 calories, which was pretty good. I like the blood orange. I should have reviewed that as well. But if you mix it, it's even better. So hopefully one day Washington State can get something like that, because that blood orange, man, probably a better option than drinking diet soda. Well, of course, they had regular fountain drinks there, but. And I like the truffle fries. I like using the fry sauce with it. They were, you know, crunchy, and take a bite of it with the fry sauce. So, and, you know, lots of places I go like don't have fry sauces, but when you go to Oregon, there's fry sauces. A Little Big Burger. So a 4 out of 5. Not too bad for a Little Big Burger. And next time I go there, if I see that turkey sandwich next time, I'll review it next time. All right. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you didn't like it. You can also follow me on social media at DeliL35 on Twitter and Outlaws Generation on Instagram. All right. So at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you some videos that YouTube will recommend that you should see. All right. Click on my video where I did the 10,000 subscriber Mount Fuji challenge. Click the round subscribe when you're into wrestling news, you're into wrestling brother. Click the round subscribe button, Outlaws Generation. That's it for the review. You can't review it until you taste it. And next time you can come hang out with me in my next food adventure, and I'll show you more delicious foods that you should try. Fellas! Outlaws Generation out. Thank you all for watching.